TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. We've got a pretty calm market out there. S&P futures up by 3 points right now, trading at 29.52. We got the Dow negative by 46, 24,461. NASDAQ in the positive by 80 points, trading at 94.06. Gold contract up $12 at 17.46. You see the fall off we had yesterday in gold. We were up as high as 17.75. You trade down to 17.30 by about 11 a.m. Eastern time, and we floated up a bit this morning, been hanging around that 17.45 price point since then. Crude oil 31.72. You see the acceleration from last week, from under $25 to a high of 33.10 yesterday, currently sitting at 31.73. We'll start things off with the VIX. As this market calms down quite a day yesterday, we were talking about volatility in the VIX. Last week at 26, you escalate to 39 as the market really accelerates lower on Tuesday and on Wednesday. You had some steep declines in the indices. We opened with a high in the VIX of 39.28 on Thursday, and since then the market has traded positive and the VIX has backed off 28.65. Start things off. Let's jump over to the charts. We'll start it off with the Dow, 24,462. You can see we've been just hanging in this area since about 4 a.m. Eastern time. We were higher overnight, but just since about 4 a.m., no real change in the markets. NASDAQ 100, quite a different story, right up near the highs we had at 3 a.m. Eastern time, 94.14, currently trading at 94.05. S&P's 29.52, actually made it to a high of 29.75 overnight. Crude oil, 31.79. There's your gold contract, as we talked about, 17.46. And the euro-US dollar with some euro strength over the last couple of days. Dollar weakness, euro at 109.38. In terms of what else you have happening out there, quite a day of earnings. Some of the biggest movers out there. How about Walmart? 10% same-store sales growth, and they've given back all the gains and then some to be negative on the day, down $1 at 126.55. You also had Home Depot out with their numbers, down 2%. Kohl's out with their numbers, really suffering, as they lost about $500 million over 90 days. Kohl's down 7%. And who's trading higher? How about Amazon? Up 2.27% at 24.81. And for some context, I believe that's an all-time high on Amazon today. Quite a charge higher. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Dave White coming up live with the Power Trading Hour. And actually, we may have a replay this hour, but we have a treat. Larry Pezzavento live at 3 o'clock to finish out the day, folks. Larry coming up at 3. We'll be right back.